and of course the producer. Sir, 10 साल की मेहनत. We are talking about devotion. We are talking about that faith. Tell me, आप इस समय इंडियन सिनेमा के सबसे बड़े डिवोटी बन गए हो सर. 10 साल इसको दिए हैं. What do you have to say on that?
मेरे जैसा मेरे से ज़्यादा डिवोटीज है इंडियन सिनेमा के लिए. One is there, right there, sitting there. See, ये स्टोरी पहले 2015 में मेरे को आइडिया आया. Someone else gave me the idea. And since then I've been traveling because to mount up a movie of this scale, at that time, my market wasn't big enough. And in 2022, January, we were looking at making another film, and even at that time, my market is not the scale of this movie. Definitely no. There's no shame in saying this Friday will definitely make my day. Wow. And when we started off with it, the whole idea was with my father. He was like, "You've been working on this film for quite some time. Go ahead, do it now." Maybe it's Lord Shiva's, made him say that, and then everything fell in place. And it's all Lord Shiva's blessing. Who am I? I just executed his order. That's all I feel like.
This journey just went on for a decade, sir. A lot of hard work has gone into it. कभी ऐसा हुआ कि doubt आया हो, sir? Like devotion की बात हो रही है, but was there a moment where you thought that what have I gotten myself into?
Not even once. Faith can move mountains, and everything fell in place. All the people I wanted to act in the movie, and I made my effort, and every one of them, fell in place, and they've done it. And when you watch the movie, the journey in the last 2 years has changed me as a human being also. So, when you watch the movie, I hope I'll be able to tell what we have been dreaming about and trying to bring on to life.
You just talked about the people.
जब कास्टिंग की बात चल रही थी, तो जैसे इन्होंने कहा कि हमने जो चाहा वो मिला. जो पहला नाम इन्होंने शिव के लिए लिया था, शिव के कैरेक्टर के लिए, वो अक्षय जी का ही था. और उस समय शायद हम कांटेक्ट नहीं कर पाए या जैसे भी बात नहीं बन पाई, लेकिन अल्टीमेटली जो हमको शूटिंग करना था उससे थोड़े दिन पहले अक्षय जी ही इस किरदार में नजर आए.
So we have Akshay sir here. मोहन बाबू सर इसमें है, मोहन लाल सर हैं, प्रभास सर इसमें हैं. Getting all of them together, it's like वो आप सारी शक्तियों को एक साथ लेके आ गए हैं. उसके ऊपर what do you have to say?
See, Mr. Akshay Kumar and we don't have a personal relationship per se. But now I'm thankful, I'm grateful for I've met him, a wonderful human being, and I'm sub junior to him as an actor. I have a lot to learn from him also. And when he walked into the set, there are a lot I learned also. I keep learning, and some people like Mr. Akshay Kumar, they inspire people by just being who they are. And today one of the biggest superstars in the country, as his junior, I have to learn what made him. There are many other actors who came along with him, but not every one of them are superstars. He's sustained, he's like that. So what made him like that is I believe it's only his discipline and his love for the craft. And that I have to learn. And all the people you see on the poster over here, let it be Mr. Mohan Babu or Mr. Mohan Lal or Prabhas, they all have what others don't have, is an undying spirit of never giving up. And that's what I learned. And everybody fell in place. And most of them in this movie acted because of the love and respect they had for my father. And I have to be grateful for Mr. Mohan Lal, who's a legend on his own right, and Prabhas, my brother. He didn't even think twice. I had to he said, father came and asked me. I was scared why he was asking me, calling me. And then I said, you should have called me. Don't ask him to call, because dad has that kind of, persona back home. So I'm grateful for all of them, and even to Mr. Akshay Kumar. An actor of his stature, he doesn't need to come and do, the character what he did. But for me, when I thought of Lord Shiva, it was him. And it wasn't easy getting him also. He rejected it twice. And yeah, but ultimately I had to. Ultimately, it was all Lord Shiva's insistence that, you know, he agreed. Check. But not yet.
चेक इसमें है कोई बात नहीं
चेक-
कर लेते।
चेक
एक
इसमें
बार
है।
चेक कर लीजिए प्लीज 124 ऑडियो चेक ये काटना पड़ेगा आपको हाँ आया ना लवली पता था मुझे सर
See,
बताना कुछ बोल देता हूँ तब पता लगा हाँ, हाँ जी सर
April 25th आप लोग कन्नप्पा देखेगा. And remember this, for this generation, anybody who thinks of Lord Shiva, I hope and I'm confident it will be Mr. Akshay Kumar's picture which will come into our minds. And that's the kind of devotion we kind of made the movie in. And that's what he portrayed.
On that note, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much.
I
Vishnu
just
sir, please, Mukesh sir.
I just want to add one more thing. He was talking about अक्षय सर. मैंने पहले भी कहा था और मैं उसको दोबारा रिपीट कर रहा हूँ कि मैंने कहावत सुनी थी हिंदी में कि बड़ा आदमी वही होता है जो अपने सामने किसी को छोटा महसूस नहीं होने देता. और जब मैंने अक्षय सर के साथ काम किया तो पूरी यूनिट के साथ जो उनका बिहेवियर था वो मुझे वही कहावत याद आ गई कि सचमुच बड़ा आदमी वही होता है जो किसी को अपने सामने छोटा नहीं महसूस होने देता. थैंक यू सर. Thank you for
क्या बात है.
inspiring.
One of the most genuine superstars of our industry, ladies and gentlemen, on screen.